So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find foreclosure listings here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to type in your location. I'll use Scottsdale, Arizona in this example, and then I'll press on search. Now, if you want to get perhaps a bit of a deal or deal with, sales by the bank, I want you to go to the top here where it says filters right here. I then want you to scroll all the way down to where it says listing type. I want you to make sure that foreclosures is selected, and that is the only thing selected right here. So foreclosures right here. Press on see homes. You can also go by agent as well. If you want to perhaps increase this in regards to by agent, but we'll go ahead and just do foreclosures right here and show you guys kind of the area. So obviously not a lot of homes, but you can go ahead and kind of refine your search this way in regards to foreclosure listings. But that is how you guys can do it. Super simple, super straightforward. That is how to find foreclosure listings for sale here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.